Hi everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about skills assessment. A lot of visas require one, and a lot of people contact us to find out what is a skills assessment, how do they get one, and if they qualify for one. So yes, a lot of visas require the visa applicant to first obtain a positive skills assessment. Every occupation has a different skills assessment authority, a professional body that offers a service where they're going to test if that visa applicant has the minimum skills to be considered a professional of the occupation they're nominating. So if you're an engineer, we have the Institute of Engineers Australia. If you're an IT professional, we get a skills assessment with the Australian Computer Society. If you're a marketing professional, if you're a sales professional, if you're a sports coach, we speak with a generalistic professional body called VETASIS, and so on. Every single skills assessment authority has different requirements. Some will require that you have a qualification and a minimum of work experience. Others will require just a qualification. Others will also want to check your English language proficiency. For example, CPA, who is a body that provides skills assessments to accountants and auditors, they require evidence that the person applying for a full skills assessment has a minimum level of English. Other bodies, as the Australian Computer Society, they have a pathway for people who only have work experience and don't have any qualifications, just experience acquired on the job. So the variety is huge. If you're from the health sector, if you're a doctor, a physiotherapist, a dentist, the professional body will also require that you sit for tests, and which in the other cases I described is not the situation. So you may have to do written exams in your field. You might have to do practical tests. And some of these bodies also require that once they assess you are indeed a doctor, a dentist, etc., that you work under supervision for a period of time before you can even get a positive skills assessment. That's what we call a full skills assessment, and then use with the majority of visa applications. So all the general skilled migration visa applications, or what we call the points tested visas, they all require the applicant to obtain a positive skills assessment before they apply for the visa. So subclass 189, subclass 190, even the provisional regional skilled visa 491. The 186 permanent employer nomination visa, if you're applying via the direct entry, also requires a positive skills assessment before you can lodge your visa application. The regional sponsorship visa 494 requires a positive skills assessment. And contrary to what many people believe erroneously out there, because for some reason, some migration agents and solicitors keep telling this to people, the 482 sponsorship visa doesn't necessarily require you to have a positive skills assessment. There are a few trades for people of a few nationalities where this is a mandatory requirement, but it's not for everyone. So don't go crazy and apply for a skills assessment if you're applying for a 482 sponsorship TSS visa, because you may not need to get one. And these assessments, of course, attract a fee. The professional body will charge from $500 to sometimes $2,000 to assess your skills. So first check if you need one, and most importantly, check if you can get one, because if you consult with a registered migration agent, they'll be able, if they're good and experienced, they'll be able to tell you if you qualify. If you don't qualify, they'll say, don't waste your time and your money. If you apply for this skills assessment, it's going to be refused. In other cases, if you qualify and if it is required, then a good migration agent can also help you with that skills assessment if it's not from a health occupation. Because if it's from a health occupation, for example, here at Bravo, we don't offer that service. You need to as I said, sit down and do a written exam and a practical test, and only you in your profession will be able to do that. Some trades are like that as well. If you're an electrician, if you're a plumber, and so on. Other trades, it's also a paperwork process. So super important to find out if the visa you're applying for requires a skills assessment and if you qualify for one. The graduate visa is another type of visa where in some cases applicants need a skills assessment and in other cases applicants don't need. And it all depends on the stream they're applying for and when, because at the moment no one needs one. There's some concessions going on. So this is what we have to tell you today about skills assessment. We hope it's been useful. And if you're considering applying for one, get in touch with us. We do offer a service to assist you, but most importantly, we'll tell you in one of our consultations if you need one really and if you qualify. Thanks for watching. Bye.